Hi everybody, I'm CH Development and welcome to my podcast. In today's podcast I want to chat a little bit about Google Play Store's A/B testing and the benefits that you can get from it. I'm always playing around with the description and the taglines to get my apps to list better in the Play Store. But the problem is you never know if it's really gonna work or not. And that's where A/B testing comes in the Google Play Store. Using A/B testing, you can actually change the description, the images, the short description, all those kind of things to see which one would work better. So for instance, if you have one variant, you can show 50% of the people the original and the other 50% will see the test one that you're trying to figure out if it will work or not. And then getting the data, you will be able to see did you get more installs from the new one or less. Then obviously make decisions according to that. And what I've also seen and what a lot of people have advised is that you don't use A/B testing with a lot of different things at once. So for instance, first you would want to test the short description and see if that makes a difference. And when you get the result and implement the result, then you can move on to testing the description and see what influence that has. And after that you can maybe test the images. So take it one step at a time in implementing the test to get the best positive result eventually when you combine all the tests you've run to get the optimal Play Store listing. Now personally I've started using it and I run two variants on the short description. For instance, I have the original and then I have two other ones that it will show different people, and from those three, when I get the best one, I can use that and then maybe compare it to another one. So you start kind of big and narrow it down smaller and smaller and smaller. For instance, if you start with 4, you can pick the best 2 and then get the difference between those 2 and eventually you get the best 1. So that's just my thoughts on the A/B testing and the fact that it seems like it could really benefit anyone using it. I hope it was informative. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thanks.